I wanna try out this wig. Smirachi. Abantu basinga wig mwale mojitegela. I don't know why. So let me try it out and you see how it looks on me. So let's go. Guys, this is how I look. So I don't know why you fail to understand this wig. Smirachi mwale motegela in a wig. It's a very nice wig, you can see it. And the wig yabalimo kutegeera naye ngenda gibategeeza lwampaka. Watch tegera. It's a butterfly wig. It's very nice, not common. It's not a common wig, guys. So mugirayo bannaye mutegere wig eno. Don't forget njamalidde ku Luswayiri, so simanyi oba kyemulaba kyendaba. This is how it looks. Are you guys seeing it very well? This is how it looks. So banana, you can style it. You can style it in any way you want. So you can hold it like this. You can style it in any way you want. You can leave it like this. Cause test of mutwe. It's not heavy on the head. So guys, in a week, nja kugibategeeza rampaka mujagite. Naye osobola giteeka mu sideways banaye sigisibye wig kuba nyinako ebiswayiri ate bitali byawe. Naye osobola giteeka sideways. As you can see it. Naye osobola giteeka sideways. Naye ndaba esinga nnimira wakati. Mujjugitegeera lwampaka. But it's a nice wig. It's a nice wig, guys. You can find us at Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest. Yeah, you type in Sal Wigs.